Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you all 4 different do-it-yourself Korean sheet mask recipes for whitening and brightening, for soft glowing skin, for pigmentation and spot treatment, and for instantly younger looking skin. So as you know, sheet masks are the latest Korean beauty craze. They give fabulous results. So if you're not willing to spend your precious money on a ready-made sheet mask, you can make your own sheet mask, and they are so much cheaper and gives better results compared to store-bought sheet mask. So the first and most important thing that you need is this kind of compressed facial face mask sheet. So these are really affordable, and a pack of 100 will cost you around 500 to 700 rupees. So the link to this product I'll share in the description box below. So I need 4 of these to prepare my Korean sheet mask recipes. So first I'm going to share with you a honey sheet mask for soft, moisturized and glowing skin. So the first thing that you need is 1/4 cup of filtered water at room temperature. The next thing that you need is 2 teaspoons of honey, and finally 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Stir well and put the compressed mask into the bowl for complete absorption. So let it soak for a few minutes. Remember that it only pops off with water-based solution. Thoroughly clean and dry your face before applying the sheet mask. Spread the sheet mask evenly over the face. Make sure the locations of eyes and lips are well aligned. Now leave the mask sheet on for 30 minutes before removing. So once you're done, wipe off the excess with the same sheet mask. You can simply rub the rest of the serum into the skin, and you don't have to wash off the residue. The blend of honey and glycerin replenishes moisture on dry, rough skin and leaves your skin nourished, soft, moisturized, healthy and super glowing. The next recipe that I'm going to share with you is coconut brightening and whitening sheet mask. So the first thing that you need is coconut milk, but I don't have coconut milk, so in that case I'm using coconut milk powder. So take around 1/4 cup of water and add 2 teaspoons of coconut milk powder. So in case if you're using coconut milk, then use 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Stir well. Put the compressed mask into the bowl for complete absorption. Let it soak for a few minutes. So before applying, make sure your face is thoroughly clean and dry. Then spread the sheet mask evenly over your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then remove the face mask sheet. Rich in nutrients, this coconut mask sheet makes your skin fairer and radiant. It doesn't clog pores. And after 15 minutes, you will notice a dramatic difference in the clarity and facial tone. Now moving on to the third sheet mask, that is the aloe vera sheet mask. So for this you need 1/2 cup of filtered water. To this add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Then add 4 drops of rose essential oil. Now in case if you don't have rose essential oil, you can also use lavender or sandalwood essential oil. Now stir well. Put the compressed mask into the bowl for complete absorption. Before applying, make sure your face is completely clean. Spread the sheet mask evenly over the face and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. It soothes and calms your irritated skin, relaxes your facial muscles and helps cure pigmentation, dark spots and freckles. You can follow this every alternate day to see results. Now moving on to the fourth sheet mask recipe. Now this is one of my favorite, that is a vitamin C sheet mask. This sheet mask is my personal favorite because it makes my skin look younger instantly. So let's find out what are the ingredients that you need. So the first thing that you need is 1/4 cup of filter water, and then you need is vitamin C powder. So what you can do is take 1 vitamin C capsule and crush it. Then add around 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin C powder. And finally, I'm going to add 3 to 4 drops of frankincense essential oil. Now this is one of the best oils for anti-aging. The link to this product I'll share in the description box below. Now stir well and drop the compressed mask Let it soak for 2 to 3 minutes. Thoroughly clean and dry your face before applying the sheet mask. Spread the sheet mask evenly. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Simply rub the rest of the serum into the skin. This will help fade age spots, smooth wrinkles, fine lines, and will make your skin look younger and firmer. You can repeat this procedure twice in a week for smoother, crystal clear, and younger appearance. So these were the 4 fabulous Korean sheet mask recipes that you can easily try at home to beautify your skin naturally. So thanks everyone, and for more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye.